sun on my skin. This is love. I know it is. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way. This is falling in love.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. Why am I doing this to myself?
We don't know. Why are we doing this? We don't know. So it's J. Karan. Time check, it's 3:51 a.m. November 10. Ilang oras ang tulog mo?
Like, I think mga 1.5.
Oh, thank you daw sa isang oras. Ako mga 4.5. Almost 5 kasi parang 9 tulog na ako. 9:30. Hindi ko alam.
Sana all.
Roxy is found wearing Jayco socks. Good morning! Magkaparas pala kayo ng colors. Okay, vlog update. So we're here in 7-Eleven. Ready na? Hindi pa. Hey, get the friends! Maji, I miss you! PM! Good morning! Bakit naman ganyan? Hoy! Hindi ka ano ah?
Oo, hindi ako ano buro.
Hindi ka part. Charot. On the twins. We're both wearing this one and then pink socks. Di ba sino? Go, Cha.
Raise me up.
Here's the donut. Ito po ang motivation to finish. Shut up. Hi, Linlin. What's on your running vest?
So I have mine. Of course, yeah.
Yes.
My,
What time are you gonna take it?
like, 2 minutes from now.
Okay.
And then I have my water.
Water.
I have my AirPods.
AirPods.
Cell phone on the back. And I have
What?
my shades.
That's shades. The most important.
The most important. And important test.
Important test. What's
As an
that?
acidic person, let's have our favorite gel.
Hey!
Cremil S.
Please sponsor. Please sponsor Linlin.
Sponsor me.
We're twins. We're twins. Wait,
Yeah.
pakita natin. Twins.
Pati parang ano lang.
Pag nagutom kayo, bigla marami tayong may experience ng gutom guys.
Marami.
You have the 12K, let's go! Good morning. Good morning guys! You've trained well, you're prepared. This is your moment to shine. Welcome to Jayco Run.
Let's go, guys. Kid. For the elevation. Sige.
Mas masaya yung ano natin, yung akyat natin, no?
Okay.
Okay, yes. Ano na?
Morning! Ay, ang cute! Let's go, donuts! 12. Thank you. Good job, guys. Good job.
Yeah!
Good job. Wait. 12K.
First runner-up! Roxita! First runner-up! Maji! First place! Happy birthday!
Me also. Thank you. Sorry. So we're on the way to claim our donuts because we deserve it. Hey! Guys!
Congrats, guys.
Grabe ang bibilis nyo. We did it! Our first try of lasers. But memorable. Oh, long body. Happy birthday.
Siyan, pahirapan mo sila.
Pahirapan mo sila. Okay, photo op. So, everybody almost finished the run. So, inintay na lang namin si Linlin. Linlin, we're waiting for you. Hindi ka namin iiwanan. And then, here's our donuts. Got the goods, got the goods. Ay, Linlin! I was just vlogging! Hey, 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 hey.
Ang gamit,
Tibay niya. Hindi na nagalit.
gamit ko yung ano mo, mga... Hindi ko nagamit yung asin.
Yay! Congratulations! Girl around the world! Who run the world? Who run the world? Ayaw patalo. Who run the world? Who run the world? Guys! Ninong! I'm so proud of my Ninong! 50... Look at the pace! What's your pace?
524.
What the fuck? I'm so proud of you guys. That's my Ninong. Do it like CH. Do it like CH. Apate, apate, apate. Oh. Aha, aha. Dapat ganun eh. Apate, 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 apate. Oh.
Today, you
Getting
run your
juice.
3 hours in the
Or something.
5 and 12K. So now,
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
cheers. Okay lang.
Cheers for 12 km. Happy birthday, CM! Team Buddha loves you! Okay. Mine first. Ay, oh my God! May avocado! My favorite. My favorite flavor. Ito my sisters. Okay, you. Eh, meron din! May Oreology din.
Oo nga, gusto ko
How about you?
Same!
Yay!
So, wala yung favorite mo? Ano yung favorite mo? Yung cheese o... okay. Yung mukhang Oreology. Na may-
This is
na may
ano,
cheese, yeah, cheese
sa
alone.
sister ko, tas sa
Ako
pamangkin ko.
itong ano. Ako din.
Ah, yun, yung bibigay ko, yun yung gusto mo pala. Ako this one, this both. I think, Milo ba to?
I think
Haven't tried this one.
I think yun.
But this is my favorite, avocado flavor. Yay! J. Coran pala, nakaano pala sa brand. We're back in CH para maligo. Na ano?
Ano, sabihin mo.
Sabihin mo yun. And then, okay, coffee time at Starbucks. Banana. As a gorilla.
Nasa gorilla ko.
Ako yun ang workout lang. Workout lang to. Yung pagpunas din naman. Bakit ako umiiyak? Workout lang. Sige, ganun ba? Paano ka nagpapabili? Okay, so hi guys. Hi buddy. Hi guys. Hi guys. Ala, tumunog. Okay, sorry. Hi guys.
Assignment dito
So ano,
Gumagawa ko editorial, wait lang.
nandito kami ngayon sa SM Jazz, sa Starbucks. Kasi kakain kami sa Jangyan, which is dyan lang sa tapat ng SM Jazz. And then, this is a kind of a surprise birthday lunch. Well, alam naman ni CM na magja-Jangyan kami with us. Pero she didn't know na may cake and flowers. And then we invited some people na
Okay na to,
close
guys.
sa kanya.
Best 2024 Poodle. We love CH!
Love you, CM. 16 km yung post niya.
Sobrang kabi.
Tumakbo pa siya.
Kasi yung program last week.
Bumalik pa siya.
Yung nasa isip ko pala. Ang ganda nito.
Yung ganda ng damit niyo.
Aww.
Save ko yun. Parang
Aww, thank you, CM, for giving me these people.
Yan ang bib natin.
Eh,
Ito na yung maganda naming friend.
Fresh na fresh. Dinitch kami. Ditch.
Sana all.
Dapat tatakbo din siya ng J. Coran but she did not.
Tapos may isang singit na naman.
Wala, alam mo ba pinakinggan ko ulit yan?
With 30 minutes.
Girls, paano yan?
Gusto ko yung fast forward.
Fast forward. Ano yung fast forward?
Kinaan yung boses. Parang sinulutan.
Kinahiya mo na. Sayang naman yung pagka-floral niya to.
Hi! Our online friend.
Sana. Hindi po, patapos na yung ubo. Ang tagal ng ubo ko.
Grabe.
Uy, no, outside for your drink daw.
Back in Jang yan.
O yan, sila na. Uy,
Okay.
sa room.
Okay, vlog update. Ayan. Rain Jang yan. So, 2 tables kami. Kasi M kakain na kami. Happy birthday po. Food. Hey.
Grabe nakapila.
Where's the cake?
Pa rin si ate mo.
Ang sweet. Si OA na. Si OA. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Pagod na ako.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Hindi na mamaya na. Happy birthday, CM. Kain na. Pinagluto ka na nila. Sam is here.
Dito si Tita!
Gago.
Si Matt talaga.
Ha? Hindi, pasakbay na lang na.
Nahihirapan si Matt.
Happy birthday, CM!
Guys,
Sige, may kanta si Ate Pat for you.
Warning?
nag-warning
Ay, sorry. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, CM. Happy birthday, CM. Blow na, blow. Blow.
blow down. Ay, naku, natayo ko.
Go down. Wish. Oh, love you, CM. Picture lang si CM.
Ulong-long tayo. Gusto niya na lang.
Bert, sasayawan daw kayo ni Matt.
Talong na lang.
Matt.
Ang gift namin ay one night with Jade.
Gumana tayo ng meme. May meme kasi, Coach. Ito yung reaction ko.
One night with Jade.
JJ, one night lang.
Hindi mo naman po.
Sino naman yun eh?
Kay Matt na lang.
Ayaw mo na lang. Sorry, ma. Nandito yun.
Picture na tayo lahat.
ganito kami.
Sinabi lang na kukanta.
5'7".
5'7".
Nilabas ng Loki.
Happy birthday, CM! Thank you so much for guiding us here at CA. So, every day I'm getting stronger.
Hey.
I owe it all to you. New Riders forever!
Happy birthday, CM! Thank you for everything that you do for us and for me. I wouldn't be running if not for you. Ikaw talaga may kasalanan na to. So pag iniwan mo kami sa era na to, tapusin na natin yung era na to. So yan, happy birthday. Love you, CM.
Happy birthday, CM. Happy birthday, CM. Tagal na tayo magkakalala pero nandun pa rin yung respect sa'yo. So, mamimiss ko na naman ulit ikaw. See you around. So, mag-visit ako if I have time. I love you so much. Let's keep in touch.
Hey.
Happy birthday, CM. Thank you kasi nagpapalakas kami dahil sa'yo. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, CM. Thank you for always checking on me. And on my knees especially. But yeah, ikaw talaga yung goal ko. Thank you for being there always. And sana ma-reach ko yung fitness and health goal mo when I'm on my 50s. So, happy
Boy, she's not in 50.
when I'm on my 50s, bakit?
She's okay.
I want that when I'm older. Diba?
Ang daming sinabing ka sa labot siya.
Ang dami yung kasi reaction mo.
Sabi rin.
Rolling. Happy birthday, CM! Let's grow old and strong together! Hey! Hi, CM! Happy birthday! From Patricia Smith.
Happy birthday, CM. Ilang taon ka na? Joke lang. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, CM! I wish you all the best in life and hopefully we can have more rides with you and races with you soon, next year, and more birthdays to come. We love you, I love you.
Happy birthday, CM! Thank you so much for all of the knowledge you're imparting to us.
Happy birthday, CM. Wow, we love you so much and thank you for bringing this family together. Ikaw may dahilan nito. Kaya ikaw din yung may rason kung ba't kami napapagalitan. Deserve mo mapapagalitan. We love you so much. Hope you enjoyed your day. Love you, mwah!
Happy birthday, CM. Hindi ko nahabaan yung message ko kasi for sure naman constant yung communication natin. Pero super happy kami kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin. Like, Team Bookto, Team Budol wouldn't be the same without CM in it. And sana hindi dito matigil yung journey natin. Alam namin magiging busy ka. Alam namin overwhelmed ka sa lahat ng nangyari ngayon. Pero always remember, you have a family to go home to. Andito lang kami, nag-aantay kung kailan ka magpapadrills, kailan ka mag-i-ride, kung ano man mangyari sa e-ride, sa CH, at kung sino man yung mga dumating na coaches, you will always be CM's babies. So, thank you. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo, ma-enjoy mo yung another year, and we love you. So, happy birthday, CM! Totoo ba?
Okay, man.
Happy birthday, CM!
I said, remember this moment in the back of my mind. The time we stood with our shaking hands, the crowds in stands went wild. We were the kings and the queens, and they read off our names. The night you danced like you knew our our lives would never be the same. You held your head like a hero on a history book page. It was the end of a decade, but the start of an age. Long live the walls we crashed through, how the kingdom lights shine just for me and you. I was screaming, long live all the magic we made, and bring on all the pretenders. One day we will be remembered. I said, remember this feeling. I passed the pictures around of all the years that we stood there on the sidelines, wishing for right now. We are the kings and the queens. You traded your baseball cap for a crown when they gave us our trophies, and we held them up for our town. And the cynics were outraged, screaming, this is absurd. 'Cause for a moment a band of thieves in ripped up jeans got to rule the world. Long live the walls we crashed through, how the kingdom lights shine just for me and you. I was screaming, long live all the magic we made, and bring on all the pretenders. I'm not afraid. Long live all the mountains we moved. I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. I was screaming, long live that look on your face, and bring on all the pretenders. One day we will be remembered. Hold on to spinning around, confetti falls to the ground. Make these memories break our fall. Will you take a moment? Promise me this, that you'll stand by me forever. But if God forbid fate should step in and force us into a goodbye, if you have children someday,